If you want to access Gmail even when you're not connected to the internet, then what you can do is you can enable an option for it as well. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here on the settings right here and click on see all settings. And once you do that, over here on the top, you can see offline tab is an option. If I were to go around over here, then you can see that it says offline. If I were to go around and enable offline Gmail, then you can see that in your computer, it's using certain amount of memory. And over here, you can go around and sync out emails from certain days right here. So even if you're not connected onto the internet, you can still access out the Gmail contents as it'll be stored on your local computer. You can go around and keep the offline data on your computer or remove the offline data from your computer. I'm just going to go around and keep the offline data so that I can go around and just make sure that everything is there. So I'm just going to go around and click on save changes, and it says offline is not recommended for shared devices, meaning if you're using a public computer or an office computer, then it is not recommended to actually save it out. In my case, I'm using my personal computer, so I'm going to say got it, and Gmail restarts, and whatever email you access and emails that you send, receive, it'll be saved out offline. So even if you do not have access to internet at some point, you can still access out your contents in Gmail easily. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.